Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to free up WhatsApp storage without deleting your chats. So first, open WhatsApp and then go to Settings. Now tap Storage and Data. Then select Manage Storage. Here WhatsApp will show you how much storage your media and files are using. From here, look for large files or media that you don't need anymore. You can review photos, videos, documents, and other files from your conversation. Then select the items you want to remove and delete them. This can free up storage while keeping the actual chat conversation. And before deleting anything, you need to make sure you review the selected files carefully. You don't want to accidentally remove important photos or documents. You can also go back to Storage and Data and review your automatic media download settings. Changing these settings can help prevent unnecessary photos and videos from automatically filling your phone's storage in the future. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.